Hello, my name is Terry Johnson. I'm a principal with the Oliver Wight Companies, and as part of my responsibilities with Oliver Wight, I manage our relationship with Oracle. In doing so, I come in contact with a lot of the systems integration partners that work on the Oracle application sets. As part of our interactions in and around Oracle and their software applications having to do with the supply chain planning or value chain planning applications, what we've been brought into in many cases are failed implementations. Implementations need to be successful, and as part of that we provide the education, the business process design around best practices, and that leads to a successful configuration of Oracle software. And that's where companies like AVATA come into play. We work very closely with AVATA through the education, through the business process design and specifications necessary for business processes to deliver the results and value-added benefits that our clients desire. What we find in AVATA is a company that, again, is very focused on client success. Underpinning that is a deep understanding of supply chain as well as the Oracle applications. It's the application of technology to solve business problems that we find so compelling in AVATA. They understand what we're doing with the client, how we're doing it, our change management model, and are able to fit in and deliver the actual technology platform necessary for a client to move forward as they journey down their path to business excellence. Yeah, one of the things that we often find is that in a major business transformation, the business side and the technology side are not as well connected as they need to be. Business process specifications in reality are often missed in a technical implementation, and that's why we are so key in bringing the entire cross-functional organization together to better define their business requirements, better articulate them so that the technical implementation can be done to support true business needs and therefore drive return on investment. The interaction between AVATA and Oliver Wight through the course of the implementation is a very natural flow. We talk a lot about the what and the why, what planning best practices are, why they need to be employed. We teach people those conceptually and help them be adapted into the application configuration so that then AVATA can train folks appropriately to use the technology to actually drive the transformation forward. We're all about adoption and sustainability. So when the team of AVATA and Oracle are done with an implementation, the folks that have been involved in the company at large has been transformed into an organization that is truly using the technology appropriately to solve their business issues. AVATA was a very clear choice for us. They're very customer-centric. We have philosophical alignment around the focus on the customer and client success, and they're very, very good at what they do. They understand supply chain, they understand where we fit in, how we fit in, and the value we bring. We deal primarily with the executive levels and getting their engagement into the overall transformation process using our proven path methodology. It was just a natural to bring AVATA in and bring the technology component into the proven path. We look to and do recommend AVATA highly into our accounts as well as jointly approach accounts in the marketplace.